before we start, we just want to make sure that we protect our floor, our table, and our trash can just by laying out something protective on top, so a trash bag or a newspaper or something just to protect your surface before we get started. Okay, to change the air damper on the rectangular can, the first thing we're going to do is remove the inner bucket. Just go ahead and take that out. Now we're going to turn the can upside down to remove the fastener. Now that the can's upside down, we're going to remove the fastener, which is located at the very back of the pedal. So just unscrew that screw that's attached to that little plastic piece at the back. And just go ahead and remove the entire screw with that fastener piece and set it aside. Now what we're going to do is turn the can right side up again. Go ahead and lock the lid open. And what we're going to do is unscrew the damper, which is this piece right here. So we're going to remove these two screws that are holding it onto the base. Now that those are unscrewed, we're just going to go ahead and pull up on that black plastic casing. Now that we've unscrewed the damper, we can just go ahead and pull up on it to remove it. Now we're going to take the new damper and just put it back in the same place. Just make sure that the two screws are towards the front, so the rounded side will be facing the back of the can. And then we're just going to screw that back into place. Now we need to replace the fastener. So we're going to go ahead and flip it back onto the table. Take the fastener and make sure that the hook part is facing towards the back. And just screw it back in. And we're all set. Flip it back up. Now the lid will close slowly.